life is good today. And guys, hey, we're going on a trip. We're going on a trip. Where we going, baby?
Punta Cana.
That's right. So the bags are packed. We're ready to go. And hey, we'll see you at the airport. All right, guys, we at the airport. Got to check our bags. And then let's wait to get on the big bird. Well, we're here at the airport in immigration. Woo! Let's see how this turns out. All right, baby, we're on the bus, waiting to go to the RIU Palace. What you think so far?
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. Me too. We've been eating snacks all day. We've been up since 4 o'clock, 4 a.m. this morning.
No breakfast.
No breakfast, no lunch. Here it is about 3:30, something like that. And we're hungry. Oh, I eat some Cheez-Its. What else we eat? Sour Patch Kids, Cheez-Its. I had some pretzels. And a stroopwafel.
On the plane.
On the plane.
That's funny, we had that in our WhatsApp
Our
box.
oh, what was it? What is our box called? Yums. What is it?
I'll say what's in the box.
What's in our box? The Universal Yums box that time from
And I love a
Netherlands.
stroopwafel, and it happened to be in our airplane bag, so I had a stroopwafel.
We had a stroopwafel. All right, guys, we're here at the RIU Palace, Bavaro.
Bavaro.
No, Bavaro. We done got cleaned up for supper. We're on the 3rd floor in one of the adults-only villas. The family, she done left me. I mean, today has been a day for sure. You know, I forgot my doggone laptop cord. She's done forgot her e-cig charger. Man, oh man. Now we're gonna be down here in the Dominican Republic for 12 days. We'll make it happen. We're gonna make it happen either way it goes. We'll figure something out. Now look. Ain't she beautiful? Woo! Love her, love her, love her, love her. But yeah, we're going to dinner. Who we meeting up with, baby?
Everybody.
We're meeting up with everybody. Hola! ¿Cómo estás?